Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can actually turn on and turn off the Bluetooth on your iPhone in iOS 18 or above. What you need to do is just go to the settings. After going to the settings, as you can see that there is an option of Bluetooth, tap on it, and from there you can turn on and off the Bluetooth. Another way to turn on and off, just swipe down like this and you can see that there is an option here. Just tap on it for a few seconds and it will show you more option and take you into it. As you can see that there is an option for Bluetooth. Just tap on it and from there you can turn on your Bluetooth easily. So that's how you can turn on and turn off your Bluetooth easily, by swiping down and clicking over here and just turn off the Bluetooth. Another way is go to settings, and in settings there is a third option. From here beneath the Bluetooth you can turn on and off the Bluetooth. I hope this video helped you out, and if you still have any other question, just let me know. I'll try to get back as soon as I can. Thank you. Bye bye.